to our enchanting floral design session, where today's masterpiece unfolds in a symphony of natural elements. The focal stars of this composition are the gracefully dried branches from wild grass, accompanied by a few stems of radiant yellow grandilia flowers and the exquisite presence of two stunning red flamingo flowers. To commence our creative endeavor, delicately secure the dried branches by bundling them together with a secure rubber band. Elevate their placement within the red rounded vase by gently inserting a wooden stick in the middle to secure the base. As the dried branches find their poised position, let your focus gracefully transition to the arrangement of yellow grandilia flowers. These vibrant stems bring an element of warmth and rustic charm, seamlessly contributing to the overall aesthetic of our design. Now, as we approach the crescendo of our artistic journey, introduce the captivating red anthurium flowers. Placing them strategically at the center establishes a dynamic focal point, infusing the arrangement with vibrancy and a touch of sophisticated allure. Refine the composition by thoughtfully trimming any excess dried branches, allowing the design to organically form a round shape. Witness the creation of a harmonious blend, where dried elements and vibrant blooms coalesce to offer a visually striking and nature-inspired centerpiece. Join me in this creative voyage as we transform these simple elements into a three-dimensional masterpiece. Together, let's revel in the celebration of beauty that emerges from the delicate balance between dried and fresh, rustic and refined. Watch in awe as nature's elegance unfolds before your eyes in this delightful and inspiring floral design adventure. Thank you for tuning in. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. To commence our creation, I carefully arrange a bundle of vibrant red jade plants in a tall, clear glass vase. Adding a second bundle of contrasting yellow leaves at the base introduces a dynamic visual interplay, creating a captivating contrast within the arrangement. After trimming any excess leaves, I position the bamboo vertically in the vase, offering both support and an element of natural elegance. Next, we focus on the three pink lilies. Each lily is delicately cut into different lengths to form layers within the design. Starting with the shortest stem, I place it at the bottom of the vase, followed by the medium length, and finally, the tallest one. This tiered approach adds depth and dimension, creating a captivating visual rhythm. In today's floral design, the spotlight is on the yellow Acacia mimosa deal beta flower, gracefully enhanced by the addition of carnations for an extra touch of charm. To start, secure the initial branch of the yellow Acacia mimosa deal beta in the vase, wrapping a smaller twig at the base in a crosswise manner using soft iron wire or rubber bands. This step not only reinforces the arrangement but guarantees stability within the vase. As the creative process unfolds, add the second branch. Trim excess branches for a refined appearance. Introduce two smaller branches upside down to enhance fullness. Place a final branch in the center, shaping an elegant triangle. The finishing touch includes the delightful aroma of pink calla lilies and a pink carnation at the center. Skillfully crafting a triangular composition with the yellow Acacia mimosa deal beta gracefully encircling the delicate carnation. Beyond its visual appeal, the yellow Acacia mimosa deal. Hello, everyone! Welcome back. Today, I'll be creating a floral arrangement with vibrant yellow wildflowers resembling goldenrod, beautifully contrasting with purple blooms. I'll begin by gathering the goldenrod, securing them into a bundle for convenience. Following that, I'll enhance stability by inserting 2 skewers through the center. Finally, I'll place the arrangement into the square glass vase. To match the inner edge of the vase, then firmly press them downward. I prefer trimming the flowers and branches pointing downward as they contribute low energy to the design. Enhancing the colors, I added red crystal beads to the bottom of the clear vase, bringing more vibrancy to the design. Follow up by incorporating additional orange pyracantha into the vase to introduce a broader spectrum of colors. Lastly, I add a few stems of purple flowers randomly to enhance the blooming aspect of the design. Upon a closer look, the blooming flowers capture attention with their delicate details and vibrant hues. Stepping back to view the arrangement from a distance, it transforms into a mesmerizing spectacle, akin to a captivating firework. Each element contributes harmoniously, creating a visual symphony that gracefully bursts into the air, offering a captivating display of colors and forms. Thank you for tuning in. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.